Hi, my name is Stephanie Barnes. I'm from IntelliKey, which means realization of potential. My strengths are working with organizations to help them realize the potential of their people. We find solutions to intractable problems using knowledge management techniques, information technology, and throw some painting in there just for good luck, just to be a little bit more creative and help us get us out of our comfort zones and find those solutions. This is episode 18 of my Brick Wall Chats series. The title or the name of this one, the theme of this one is mistakes. So there was just a little flub there, mistake there. I meant to say that a little bit differently, but that's okay. I'll keep pushing on. So mistakes seem to come up a lot lately in some of the conversations I'm having, and that it's okay to make mistakes and that we need to learn from them. And if we learn from it, then maybe it shouldn't be called a mistake, which certainly is my view on things. I try to be iterative or agile, dare I say, in my approach to solution finding. And so it's that trial and error. We could say the errors are mistakes, but are they really? If we said, oh, well, let's try it this way. Oh, that doesn't work the way that I expected it to. Is it really a mistake, or was that a learning? In which case we won't do it that way again, but we'll try it a different way. And maybe that way will give us the solution that we want to. Maybe that'll work. Or maybe we adjust our solution based on that learning and are more successful the next time. I know when I rolled out a technology solution several years ago now, that was how we built out from 100 users to 7,000 users, was one little group at a time, trial and error. What worked for one might not work for the next because their user needs and requirements were a little bit different, but we could always build on that. And so 10 users at a time, 100 users at a time, 20 users at a time, we got to 7,000 over the course of 3 years. I think it was 3.5 years, and learned lots, had really happy users because we involved them in this process of iteration and trial and error and what works and what doesn't, and kept the communication going and things. So, and kept them informed along the way. So were the ones that didn't work, were they really mistakes? I don't think so, because we learned from it. I am at this point a little bit hesitant to say things are mistakes, rather than it just didn't work the way that I thought it would work, which happens, sometimes. I don't know. There's a lot of stigma around mistakes, and we shouldn't have done that. But maybe we should, or maybe we shouldn't. I think the mistake is when we do things that we know aren't going to work, and we keep doing them anyway. That's a mistake because you're repeating the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. And I think it was Einstein that said, that was the definition of insanity. And it definitely is. Why would we keep doing something over and over again, expecting a different result? That's a mistake, because we're not learning from it. But if we're learning, I don't think it's a mistake. Anyway, I think this is the end of my episode, my little chat on mistakes. This has been episode 18 of my Brick Wall Chats. I hope you enjoyed it. Go back and watch old previous episodes and subscribe so you get notification of the new ones. And I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.